In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated PDF delivery for your store orders using a document automation app in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and install a document automation app designed for order documents such as Order Printer Pro. This type of app helps you automatically generate downloadable PDF files for things like invoices, packing slips, or other order-related documents. If you manage a store and want customers to receive clean, professional documents without handling each order manually, this setup can save a lot of time. Once the app is installed, go into the application dashboard and open the settings or configuration area. This is where the app's automation features are usually managed. Take a moment here to look around the panel so you understand where the key controls are located. Most document apps organize their options around templates, delivery settings, and integrations, so staying in the configuration section will help you complete the setup smoothly. From there, find the option labeled Automated PDF Delivery and switch that setting on by activating the checkbox or toggle. Enabling this feature allows the app to automatically prepare a PDF version of your selected order document whenever a new order is processed. This is the core feature that makes the workflow automatic, so make sure the setting remains active before moving on. If your app offers related options in the same area, stay focused on the automated PDF delivery control required for this setup. After that, the final part is connecting the app's generated dynamic asset shortcut download URL to your store's native order confirmation email template. In simple terms, this means adding the app's download link into the order confirmation email your customers already receive from your store. When this is done correctly, customers can open their order email and access the PDF document directly from there without needing any extra follow-up from your team. As you place the dynamic download URL into the native order confirmation template, be careful to insert the correct link exactly where you want customers to see it. This keeps the experience seamless and ensures the email remains clear and useful. A good placement is usually in the section of the confirmation message where order details or helpful post-purchase resources appear, so the link feels like a natural part of the message. Once everything is in place, your setup is complete. The app will be installed, automated PDF delivery will be enabled, and your store's confirmation emails will include direct access to the